Good morning! Welcome to my blog. So in today's video, we will be unboxing a solar powered LED fence lights. This will be good for our succulent garden. Okay, so I will show you what this one is. Here. Then they have this, this is from Gigalumi. I ordered it from Amazon.com. So, how does it look like? So, it looks like this. And then, there's a, we will screw it here. Okay. So, there is a screw that's included. Or maybe you can use tape. A very sticky tape. Okay, so there are 8 in the box. It's a solar power. Oh, there are some more screws here. Okay. It looks like this. And then I will show you when it's already in our succulent garden. Okay. We will have it, we will recharge it first using the solar power. Okay, so we will see the new products of Gigalumi. So this product is a solar powered LED fence lights. It auto turn on at dusk, illuminate your patio and garden, easy assembly and installation, rechargeable battery included, LED light for brighter output. This is the solar power panel. Okay. And these are the screws. So we tried to turn it on as the instruction said. So there is the power on and off switch there. So before when we received it, it's turned to the left. So when you turn it on, you have to turn it on the right side, and then you will see that it is this is the right one because you can see the light. See, you can see the light. So right now we already put the Gigalumi lights, the solar power LED fence light here in our succulent garden. So we place it here so that it will recharge. This is the LED fence lights, outdoor garden LED lights. So we didn't put it in the fence, but we put it in our succulent garden. Solar powered LED fence lights. And we also place it in our storage shed. So we will see if it recharges, and then we will show it to you later. How does the solar light works? During the day, the solar panel converts solar power into energy and stores in the rechargeable battery. At night, the light turns on automatically and uses energy stored. The duration of illumination depends on the geographical location, weather conditions, and seasonal light availability. So meaning, if there's a lot of sun, then the duration of illumination will also be longer. So when selecting an ideal location, you have to select an outdoor location where the solar panel can receive at least 8 hours full and direct sunshine each day. The bright light sources may cause the solar light turning off automatically. So the solar lights are ideal for nighttime lighting in the pathway, garden, deck, patio, and others. You can also place the solar lights outdoor during the day and then place them indoor for lighting. So for best results, allow light to charge with switch on position for at least 1 day as it was in off position during shipment. Solar powered, okay. Light. Very nice. the products from Gigalumi. This is the solar powered flowers that we got from them. And this is the Zen garden. Also from Gigalumi. I also made a video regarding our Zen garden. Hope you will also visit that. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you!